into my YouTube channel, and in succession to the videos what I have been taking up in pharmacology. So today's discussion I'll be mainly focusing upon the classification of antiviral drugs. So in this video we will be discussing about the classification of antiviral drugs, and in the professional exams where you are supposed to write about the classification. So starting with the drugs which are used for managing the viral infections, they can be broadly subdivided into 3-4 categories. So the first one is drugs used against herpetic infections. You must have heard about these herpetic infections are there, that is the herpes simplex virus, HSV1, HSV2. So in those cases, in those situations, these anti-herpes agents are there. The drugs which fall under this category are the acyclovir, the valcyclovir, the ganciclovir, the vidarabine, the foscarnet, and the edoxyridine. So these are the anti-herpetic agents. These are the drugs what are used for the against the herpetic infections. The next category what falls is under the antiviral drugs. It is the drugs which are used against the HIV infections. So basically in these, the basically 3-4 categories of drugs fall under this category. The first is the nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors. So in this category we are having the zidovudine, the didanosine, the stavudine, the lamivudine, and the zalcitabine. So these are the drugs what fall under the category of the non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors. Next we have the drugs which fall under the non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors. It is firstly the nevirapine, the dilaviridine, and the efavirenz. So 2 categories we have completed. Firstly, it is the nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors. The others is the non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors. The next we have the protease inhibitors. So in this category of protease inhibitors, we have the commonly used drugs are the indinavir, the rotenavir, the sequinavir, and the lopinavir. So these are the drugs what fall under the category of the protease inhibitors. And next we have the fusion inhibitors. So the most commonly used drug, it is the enfuvirtide. So enfuvirtide, it is the drug which falls under the category of fusion inhibitors. The next we have the anti-influenza virus drugs. So there are the influenza virus infection is there. So anti-influenza virus agents, what the drugs which fall under this category are the amantadine, the rimantadine, and the oseltamivir. So oseltamivir, these are the drugs what fall under the category of the anti-influenza drugs. And the other antiviral agents what fall under this classification, it is the ribavirin and the interferons. So students and viewers, this was a very short video about where I have discussed about the classification of the antiviral drugs. So students, if you still have any queries or comments, or there are certain topics in pharmacology what you want that I should discuss it for you, you are most welcome to comment me in the comment section. Students and viewers who are new to my channel, who haven't subscribed, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can be further updated for my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.